Before I tell you Kezo's story, let's start with yours. You might see it in different offices, handling reports, program plans, budget, and schedules. But you're more than just a title. You're architects of possibility, builders of dreams. You're the reason the Kezas and the Chusas of Rwanda will rise and thrive. Whether you're in education, laying the foundation for brighter futures, in health, making sure young bodies and minds grow strong, in mental health, creating safe spaces, you don't just work behind desks, you help craft lives. You're the reason Imbuto Hub stands as a transformational space. Now, let me introduce you to Keza. Her story belongs to all of you. Conversation across time.
Who will I become when I grow up? A doctor? Maybe a soldier? Or maybe something I haven't thought of yet.
Hey, little one.
Yes?
We became a doctor.
Really? We did? But how?
Come closer. Let me tell you a story. A story of a story of endless possibilities. A story that began the day you walked through the gates of Imbuto Hub. You were so little, you could barely put your words into thoughts. Yet, this place saw everything you could become.
What happened first?
The children's playground. You thought you were only climbing, laughing, and chasing butterflies.
Oh.
But you were learning confidence. You were learning to fall and to rise again. Then came the ECD space. There, every song gave us a voice, every story awakened our imagination. Every smile whispered, you belong here.
Did we become a doctor because we studied?
Because we never stopped learning. The library became our second home. Books introduced us to worlds beyond Bugesera. They taught us that dreams are not measured by where you're born, but by how far you're willing to dream. Then, IT opened another door.
Mm-hmm.
The computer screen no longer looked frightening.
Really?
It became a window to ideas, to innovation, to a future bigger than what we had ever imagined.
Was it always easy?
Oh no. There were days we doubted ourselves. Days you had questions. Questions we were too shy to ask. Questions about growing up. The Wellness Center welcomed every single one of them. It taught us to protect our health, to understand ourselves, to respect ourselves, and to choose wisely. And on the days our smile hid heavy thoughts,
What happened?
it reminded us that asking for help is courage, not weakness.
Did we discover the talents?
Many. We learned hairdressing, not because we had to,
That's
because we discovered we could create beauty with our own hands. We learned tailoring. Thread by thread, we stitched confidence and discipline into our future. Every skill taught us we will always have something valuable to offer the world.
What about sports? I really like running.
Keep running. On those fields, we learned that every finish line begins with one brave step. We learned teamwork, respect, perseverance. Sometimes we won, sometimes we lost.
Oh.
But every match taught us character.
So, all these spaces helped us become a doctor.
They helped us become the best versions of ourselves. The doctor came later. The dream came first.
That's amazing.
The hub protected it, fed it, believed it, until one day we believed in it too.
Do you think another child will walk through these gates?
Tomorrow, next week, next year, a little boy, a little girl, carrying questions just like ours. Who will I become? And Imbuto Hubs will answer the same way it answered us. Not with promises, with opportunities. With books waiting to be opened, computers waiting to be explored, playgrounds waiting for laughter, sports field waiting for courage, wellness spaces waiting to listen, with people who believe that every child deserves a chance.
So, this is where dreams begin.
No, this is where every child begin believing their dreams are possible.
But then, how about our brother? How is Chusa?
Chusa? Reka kwibwirira.
Impano yanjye ntikizimye,
Ni Chusa,
imbuto yangezeho,
ni Chusa,
n'ibiganza birema,
ni Chusa,
imbuto irera u Rwanda,
ni Chusa.
imbuto irema inyenyeri, impano yanjye ntikizimye, imbuto yangezeho, n'ibiganza birema, imbuto irera u Rwanda, imbuto irema inyenyeri, imbuto yanjye ntikizimye, imbuto yangezeho, turimbana n'ibiganza birema, uti ndicyusa n'imbuto irera u Rwanda, ndicyusa n'imbuto irema inyenyeri, impano yanjye ntikizimye, ndicyusa imbuto yangezeho, ndicyusa n'ibiganza birema.